Need to recover deleted call history on WhatsApp using your iPhone? Unfortunately, there's no direct way to recover deleted WhatsApp call history, but still, you have a chance to get back. If you follow these steps right now, you can get back your call history. First, open up the Settings app, then tap on the Apple ID profile. After that, tap on iCloud. Next, tap on the See All. After that, scroll down and find the WhatsApp app. Make sure to toggle it on. Now, if you already enabled Auto Backup for daily, then go to the WhatsApp app. Next, tap on the settings below. After that, tap on Chats. Now tap Chat Backup, then tap Backup Now. After completing the backup, uninstall the WhatsApp and then reinstall it from the App Store app. Then sign up your WhatsApp account using the phone number. Then tap Restore. After restoring, you will get back your call history. And this is how you can recover the deleted WhatsApp call history on your iPhone. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then don't forget to hit that like button. And if you have any questions, then feel free to write them down in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned.